Hello and welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade, and today we're doing a food review. We could make this a challenge, but I'm not going to because I'll show you what I'm doing first anyway. So we are doing Iceland's Mumbai Street Company Angry Bird Chicken. So been shopping in Iceland. They do a Mexican food range, which I have got a few bits of there, and they do an Indian street food. This is Mumbai's Angry Bird. It's got a 5 chili rating, very, very hot. It's been in the oven for 40 minutes, which is what it's supposed to. Nice packaging, all the nutritional information as always. How to cook: ingredients: cooked chicken wings 62%, chicken wing at 98%, white wine vinegar, tomato puree, brown sugar, rapeseed oil, red chili puree, ginger, tandoori masala marinade. So I've got a feeling these are going to be tasty. Ground cumin, paprika, chili powder, ground pepper. I'm trying to find the spice, what spice they've used. It seems to be just chili powder. So anyway, I seen these, I thought I'd give them a try. Mumbai Street Co. Angry Bird Chicken, 5 chilies. So we'll take this off. Like I said, these have been in the oven 40 minutes. They smell quite barbecuey, more than you can you can smell the tandoori tikka in them. They smell absolutely lovely. This sauce, that looks lovely. You can't, for a shot forward, they smell beautiful. So what we're going to do, like I said, it's not going to be a challenge because there's only 4 chicken wings. So even if the ham's spicy, it's not going to be really much of a challenge. So I'm going to pick one up. First impressions, more of a tandoori wing. 5 chili rating, no. Iceland, no. 1, maybe pushing a 2. What I'm going to do is obviously most of the spice is probably in the sauce, so I'm going to eat the wings first. They are tasty, don't get me wrong. Very, very nice wings, but next to zero spice. We're going to quickly eat these last 2 wings. Right, wings done, sauce left, still a 1. There's a little, I don't know how can I put it, it's a little tiny tingle around your mouth. It's nothing at all, Compare it to the Carolina Reaper curry. Now that was hot, and I'm not just saying that. It was hot, although I did try and eat 2, which is where the second. Like I say, it's just a nice mild spice, but the wings are tasty. The wings are very tasty. The tandoori masala flavoured wings, they are very nice. Only 4 to a portion, which is a bit disappointing. But we're going to drink some of this sauce and see if there's more spice in here. All sauce done. Still no spice. Still a 1 rating. Definitely a 1 rating. That's the thing with these supermarkets sometimes. They do push the boundaries and say, oh, this is the spiciest thing. To give this a very hot 5 chili rating is wrong. If you're selling this to the average person who's not a massive chili head, you could probably get away with marking it as a 2 or a 3, but definitely not a 5. Like I said, it's a nice spice, tasty wings, very tasty wings, lovely, but no way, not 5. But that was my Iceland Mumbai street cult Angry Bird chicken food review. The 4 for a $5 on the Indian and the Mexican, which is decent value for money if you like sat in front of the telly on a Saturday night. You've got yourself a pizza and you've got have a few of these Angry Bird chicken wings and some of the other Mexican. It's nice to just pick at and just pick up as you're watching telly or doing whatever you're doing. So yeah, flavour wise, definitely a strong 8 to 9 because they are tasty wings, but heat rating 1, solid 1. So thank you very much. That was, like I've just said, my Iceland Mumbai Angry Bird chicken review. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed those wings even though they weren't as spicy as that says. So thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all again very soon for more content from me, Rob, and Rob's Homemade. Peace!